A blindingly bright star burst into view in a corner of the night sky. It wasn't there just a few hours ago, but now it burns like a beacon. That bright star isn't actually a star, at least not anymore. The brilliant point of light is the explosion of a star that has reached the end of its life, otherwise known as a supernova. Supernovae can briefly outshine entire galaxies and radiate more energy than our Sun will in its entire lifetime. They are also the primary source of heavy elements in the universe. According to NASA, supernovae are the largest explosions that take place in space. A star can go supernova in one of two ways. Let's look at the more exciting Type 2 first. For a star to explode as a Type 2 supernova, it must be at several times more massive than the Sun. Estimates run from 8 to 15 solar masses. The presence of hydrogen in its spectrum is what distinguishes a Type 2 supernova from other classes of supernova explosions. Massive stars generate energy by the nuclear fission of elements. Unlike the Sun, these stars possess the mass needed to fuse elements that have an atomic mass greater than hydrogen and helium. The star evolves to accommodate the fission of these accumulating higher mass elements until finally a core firing is produced. Eventually, the implosion bounces back off the core, expelling the stellar material into space, forming the supernova. Type 1 supernova lack a hydrogen signature in their light spectra. Type 1 supernovae are generally thought to originate from white dwarf stars in a closed binary system. As the gas of the companion star accumulates into the white dwarf is progressively compressed and eventually sets off a runaway nuclear reaction inside that eventually leads to a cataclysmic supernova outburst. Various civilizations recorded supernovae long before the telescope was invented. The oldest recorded supernova is RCW86. The records show that the guest star stayed in the sky for 8 months, according to NASA. Before the 17th century, when telescopes became available, there were only 7 recorded supernovae, according to Encyclopedia Britannica. What we know today as the Crab Nebula is the most famous of these supernovae. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you.